Actually, kasama natin ngayon via phone patch, ano, live, may interview natin si Commissioner Kim Henares ng BIR. Magandang umaga ho, Commissioner Henares. Ito ho si JC Tejano, kasama ko ngayon si Emil Carrion at si Congresswoman Bernadette Herrera.
Good morning, ho.
Yes, good morning, Commissioner. Commissioner, sa kasalukuyan ho ba, may tulong din hong binibigay ang BIR or meron din ho tayong binibigay na relief operations ho para dito sa nangyaring ang or tulong, no, sa tax policies natin dito nga sa Leyte at sa affected areas ng Visayas?
No, actually, the BIR, because we're under the Department of Finance, we're helping the Secretary Purisima is now the packaging head. So we're helping him with that, no? So we're helping run for relief center, no?
Yes, actually, Commissioner, isa ho dun sa mga narinig namin, meron daw hong tax break para ho sa mga donations at sa mga goods or relief goods na ay papadala.
Alam nyo, yung rules tungkol sa donation, rules tungkol sa relief goods, matagal na ho yan na sa batas.
Alright.
No, so, I think we are a disaster-prone country and it has been in place. That's why I cannot understand why people are suddenly so agitated about it. So, kasi, nandun na yan sa batas, 1990 plus pa, nandyan na yan eh, no? So, kunyari, may donation from foreign, no? Yung donation na yan, pwedeng goods, pwedeng pera. Kung pag-usapan ng donor tax, tatanungin nyo kung ano yung batas ng donor dun sa bansa nila, hindi yung Pilipinas ang nagbubuhis niyan. No? Pangalawa ho, pag pera yan papasok, wala naman hong buwis yan. Kaya lang, kung meron charges, hindi ho yan gobyerno ang nag-charge, kundi yung mga bangko.
Si Bernadette po, si BH po ito. Meron po ako nabasa na yung looted establishments may declare losses.
No, when you have a casualty loss, no, that means loss you suffered from flooding, earthquake, fire, or even theft, you can deduct casualty, no, kung ano yung pinsala sa iyo, no? Provided you follow certain rules and that rules has been set, and provided also na hindi ho siya covered ng any insurance.
I see.
So, madideduct nyo against your income.
Alright, Commissioner Henares, ano ho ba yung epekto nito ho sa nationwide economy natin sa nangyari hong bagyong Yolanda? Sa inyong mga projections siguro?
Well, I guess I believe kasi hindi naman ako economist, no? The economy said that the area that was hit contributes 3% to GDP, no? So there will be an effect, but it won't be that significant an effect.
Alright, Commissioner, actually, isa rin dun sa mga iniisip namin sa kasalukuyan, no? Ito hong mga tax breaks sa mga donations, kung sakali, nabanggit nyo nga ho, ay declared naman na rin sa ating mga batas, no, sa kasalukuyan. Ito ho ba ay every time ay pwede hong kumbaga gamitin ng kumpanya or ng kung anumang volunteer organization?
Yeah, the donation given to accredited charitable institution and given to government, whether there is a disaster or not, provided these are given to accredited charitable organization and government, are exempt from donor tax and you can deduct it against income.
So, ibig sabihin nun, accredited sila sa inyo as a tax-exempt non-government organization. Tama po yun, Commissioner?
Kailangan yung charitable organization na yan accredited by PNCC and by the BIR.
Yun,
These organizations, when they receive donation, the donation is not subject to donor tax and the donor can deduct it against their income.
So yun yung napakahalaga na dapat malaman din nila. That's why pipiliin din talaga natin kung kanino tayo nagdo-donate para nang sa ganun sigurado din kayo na mga credible government organizations. Ang ating non-government or government agencies ang ating nabibigyan ng tulong at ayuda. At ito kasi nasabi ni Commissioner Kim Henares sa atin, mula pa naman noon talaga, pag ikaw ay tumulong sa isang makabuluhang cause at ito ay dinonate
Right.
mo sa mga charitable institutions na accredited or non-government organizations accredited by BIR at saka nung mga iba, ano yung sinasabi niyo, Commissioner?
CNCC.
Yun. So,
There's an organization that accredits this institution because they audit them, they make sure that they're in compliance, that
Right.
not more than 30% of their receipts are being used for administrative expenses.
so at least
Okay.
it gives us incentives for those that who would really want to help.
Actually, malaking bagay ito para sa mga kumpanya, no, na gusto ring tumulong.
Yes.
So maraming salamat ho, Commissioner Kim Henares, mula ho sa BIR.
Thank you.